is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. Okay, so first thing is go ahead and turn it on. Once you turn it on, you want to go ahead and choose your language. And I'm fine with English there. Tap on OK. I'm going to tap on Start now. For your review, now in order for you to proceed, you must check at least the first two, then you can proceed. You can go ahead and read through the details if you wish. And down here is optional, sending diagnostic data. That's optional. I'm fine with having all of them checked, and I'm going to go tap on agree. I'm going to go ahead and choose I already choose my Wi-Fi network. It says connected, as you can see right there. So choose your Wi-Fi and then put in your password, or there'll be like a skip down here. You can skip it and go to your connect to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, I'm going to tap on next here. Searching for eSIM mobile plans, which I don't have. So give it 1 second here. Okay, so I don't have that. Okay, I have an actual physical SIM card that I'm going to put in here. After the setup is complete, you can go ahead and insert your physical SIM card. If you don't know how to do it, look in the link below. I'll show you how to do that after I set this up. Okay, so I don't have that, so I'm going to tap on skip for here. I'm going to skip. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more from a different device, okay, like another Android phone or tablet, even an iPhone or an iPad. If you have another older device or another device, you can tap on next right here if you want to copy everything over onto here, okay? For me, I don't want to copy anything. I want to do a fresh, clean install, so I'm going to go back. And then from here, I'm just going to choose don't copy, okay? So don't copy. Again, I want a fresh, clean install on this. Google is asking you to sign into your Google account, basically, which is your Gmail. You can go ahead and log in, or you can create an account here, or you can skip it. Okay, I'm going to skip mine here. I don't remember the password. I'll figure that out later. So I'm going to skip that. And now we're at Google services here. Now all of these are actually optional. Okay, so read through those. I mean, I'm fine with having all of these on. Use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. I'm fine with all these, okay, for myself. And I'm going to tap on accept to proceed. Protect your phone. Now it's basically asking for a password, and you can do Face ID password, fingerprint password, and you can even do like a pattern pin or a regular password, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a fingerprints, just my fingerprint, and then you can always add a Face ID later on if you wish as well. So I'm just going to do a fingerprint here. Now before I do the fingerprint, it's going to ask me to make a pattern, pin, or passcode. This way, if my fingerprint doesn't work or anything, I can use my passcode or pattern or whatnot. And for this one here, I'm just going to do a pin, which is just a 4-digit number. And let me go ahead and create one. And I just created one. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue, and I just have to reconfirm that same pin I just made. Okay, reconfirming. Click on OK. Okay, now it's going to now we're going to go ahead and do the fingerprint. Okay, now the fingerprint, the scanner is actually the power button, okay? So what we're going to do is with this page here, now I'm going to use this finger here. I'm going to press it here and then up. Just touch it lightly, okay? And keep going up and down. Vibrates up. Vibrates up. Vibrates, vibrate. And keep on going until all that green fills up. Just keep on going. And this phone is super fast. Wow, look at that. You just keep on, try to get the edges of your fingers. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we got one finger. Now you can add another finger if you wish, or you can do it later. Okay, for now I'm fine with one finger, and I'm going to click on next here. Asking for a Samsung account. You can go ahead and sign in, or you can create an account. I have an account, but I don't need to sign in, but you can go ahead and skip it. You can always sign in later if you wish. So for me, I'm just going to skip it. Samsung services, go ahead and read through all of these, okay? They're all basically optional, okay? But I'm fine with having all of them toggled on. And I'm going to tap on agree. Taking care of your phone, you can just go ahead and read through that. And once you're done reading through that, tap on next. You're all set up. Let me go and tap on finish right there. And voila, we are in business. And now I'm going to go ahead and insert the SIM card. If you want to see that video, click on the link in the description below. All right, good luck.